All right, so let's look into our good friend Tesla. Who doesn't like Tesla? Tesla is a stock that everyone needs, and it's one of the more reliable stocks. Tesla is, along with Amazon, along with Apple, those are stocks that will always perform because of they're considered growth stocks now in these day and ages with technology. So currently Tesla is sitting at $369.49. It went up by $11.56 yesterday, with a 3% increase, 3.23% increase, which is pretty cool, pretty good, because that was anticipated. Now, if we take a look at the actual targets for Tesla, and this is what I want to get at. The targets for Tesla, if we go down to what the top analyst, Wedbush Financial, Wedbush Securities, one of the nation's leading wealth management brokerage and advisory firms. This is what they're saying. They're saying the price target is 400, and that this was determined on the 17th of November. Now, this is what I need to tell you. What I need to tell you is that it's going to go beyond that. Tesla is none of these have the projections that I currently have. So Bank of America Securities also 400. So Stifel 411. Yeah, so that's okay. So now let's get to the actual chart, right? So looking at the chart, looking at Tesla, I'm projecting Tesla for a $600 run. The reason being is the technicals are perfect with Tesla, aligned with the fundamentals and what Tesla is going to start doing. So for the most part, let's go down to the weekly. For the most part, as you can see, it broke the previous high, and we can look at a nice little harmonic that formed, and this is perfectly laid out for this zone, the 600, to be tapped. Of course, it's going to hit the 400, but that's just going to be the first stop. After it hit the 400, it might drop, I think, around 425-ish, 423, 425-ish, around 410, like around from 400 to like 425. You might see a slight dip, but from there on, it's not coming down below this range. Once it closes above 400 or above 415-ish, it's not gonna go down below that range. So this is a perfect time to be buying Tesla if you have the funds. Perfect time to be buying it, because we just moved beyond the accumulation range and the C leg, which the C didn't break below the A, which is perfect, and this is pretty much a perfect fail to break. So nice reversal into a harmonic, and this laid out is a perfect harmonic play for the 600 range. So even if you look at this, if you add MAs to this, and you'll see Tesla has crossed every moving average, and so this is projected to run up so high. And 400, I'll say hold it beyond 400. Listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to advise you to do anything. This is for educational and informational purposes. But in terms of this chart, my projection is Tesla is going to make a nice run for the 600 price target. That's my analysis. That's my projection. Beyond that, that's pretty much it. Beyond that, Tesla has very solid numbers, and you just need to get you some Tesla. If you can get you some Tesla, get you some Tesla. It'll do you some greatness. But beyond that, let's continue to watch it. Let's continue to look over to see what it's doing, and let's just track it down and just track it. So periodically, I'll just throw some stocks out there so you guys can look at what's going on. Look at year to year. Tesla has been beasting. The quarters, Tesla has been beasting. Look at this. This is crazy. But yeah, so that's what I have for Tesla. Tesla is projected to hit the $600 target. If you know, if you want to run it to the 400 and sell, you can go ahead and do that, but you don't have to. You can just hold it. You can just hold it and let it run. Just hold it and let it run. This is one of the plays that are buy and holds. These are buy and hold plays. Those plays that just I wouldn't sell because these are considered growth stocks, similar to Apple and similar to Amazon. I would not sell this, and some specific ETFs as well. But that's about it. That's all I have for Tesla. And that's my analysis. Sharks of Wall Street. Let's get it.